Hola, buenos días. Me llamo Melissa Robé, soy profesora de español. Hace casi 10 años que estoy dando clases y es mi segundo año en el LFSF. Donc moi j'ai étudié en France, à Paris, à la Sorbonne et ensuite en Espagne. J'ai fait un Erasmus en Espagne, j'ai travaillé en Angleterre, j'étais assistante de langue. J'ai beaucoup hésité entre être prof d'anglais ou prof d'espagnol et puis finalement tout m'a ramené à l'espagnol. J'ai enseigné en région parisienne pendant 7 ans, dans 2 établissements différents, en collège, en lycée, dans des zones assez difficiles en réalité, mais qui m'ont beaucoup apporté. Et puis j'ai toujours eu envie d'enseigner à l'étranger et j'ai eu cette opportunité de San Francisco. San Francisco, c'est une ville qui lutte pour les droits, pour l'égalité des droits, qui est progressiste, qui me ressemble, qui match avec mes valeurs, je dirais. I enjoy the fact that it's a human-sized campus, kind of a family, let's say. We have a wonderful patio, all the infrastructure is really beautiful and I like it. Those are really good conditions to teach Spanish. I'm really passionate about Spanish and teaching Spanish. We do a lot of projects. I think you learn a language by doing, by being able to communicate, by reading, a lot of skills. We do craft activities, we sing, we do some grammar sometimes. I want them to be able to communicate. Working here made me realize that well-being in the classroom is really important. I'm doing a yoga and meditation experiment with the middle schoolers because it's important to be able to feel good in your classroom with your teachers. I have a very different way of seeing teaching, well-being and being able to process the emotion in the classroom. And if you can do it in Spanish, even better. I invited the Women's Building of San Francisco. It's a non-profit organization. The main objective is to help Spanish-speaking women to have access to food, rental, to help with paper and legal advice. I volunteered at the Women's Building during my free time. I always wanted to be part of community service. In France, I used to give French literacy classes for the Red Cross. And I really want to build a biggest link with our women-led communities and our community. I'm doing the web radio this year. I had this opportunity and I would love to develop some podcasts about women-led organization and our school. I think it's important. The students really like to be involved in this kind of projects because those projects matter. They are really aware that they are citizens of our world and yes, they always like to discover new associations. They want to be part of it and they love it. Yeah. LFSF, j'adore. Para mí es un honor.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.